Hello, everyone. Wish you a happy and prosperous new year. And I would like to thank each and every one of you guys on behalf of the Prefect BA team. Thank you so much for watching our videos, liking, sharing, and providing your valuable comments. Thanks once again. It was a great 2019 for the Prefect BA YouTube channel. We are closely approaching 4,000 subscribers. Thanks to one and all. And I would request your continued support in watching the videos, liking, and sharing them. Okay, guys, thanks once again. And in this video, we're going to talk about the top three certifications for business analyst for year 2020. So we have covered a lot of videos last year with respect to answering the questions in the business analyst interviews. And one thing which will really add value and also help you in negotiating a better pay is the certification. So certification really kind of differentiates, it's like a differentiating factor, and the more the certification you have and the focused one which is on business analyst, which will really help in getting the job and also negotiating a good pay. So there are a lot of certifications out there and there will be a lot of debate. So these three are my pick, and I would love to hear your thoughts, whether you agree with me, or if there are other certifications which can be done, considered for business analyst. It would be a good thing. I would love to hear from all of you in the comment sections. So top three certifications, and let's quickly go into the first one. Is the certification with respect to the core business analysis skills. So this is if you don't have any certification, you're a BA, and if you want to pursue one, and then this is the one which I would highly recommend you to go after. The CBAP is the flagship certification for any business analyst, so Certified Business Analyst Professional. It's issued by IIBA. It's worldwide recognized, and this is an experience-based certification. So you need to have at least 5 years of BA experience in order to, appear and get this certificate. In case if you don't have 5 years, no issues. If you have like 2 to 3 years, then you can uh, look for the CCBA certification. And if you do not have any experience and you want to be a BA and you want to start learning the concepts from the BABOK, then ECBA is a certification I would recommend. That's an entry level. There's no prerequisite from an experience perspective. You can read the BABOK version and you can appear for the exams. But for CCBA and CBAP, it will be a experience-based certificate. So you need to have your reference, and you need to have enter the number of hours you've worked in different business analysis domains, and one post approval from IBA, only then you can appear for the exams. But if you don't have any certifications, and I think this is the first top notch thing to go after. The second certification in the list is on the Agile. As you know, Agile has been a big trend, and most of the projects have been switched over from waterfall to agile. And for from an agile perspective, there are a lot of certifications out there, CSM, Scrum Master, for the Scrum team. But my recommendation would be to do a agile certification related to the product owner, and my pick is the CSPO, Scrum Certified Product Owner. It's from Scrum Alliance. So this, most of you guys were aware of Agile or worked on Agile project. Most of the work will start once the product backlog with the epics and user stories are there, and from there the Scrum team would uh, basically estimate it and work on delivery across sprints. But this whole CSPO is how do you get to the product backlog? What are the techniques used? So it's called a discovery phase, and there are like 4 to 5 key steps in coming to a product backlog. All of those are taught in this particular certification. And again, CSPO is an entry level, or there's no prerequisites for it. but it's not something you can, read off a book and clear the exam. You have to attend 2-day workshop or training. So there will be, you can search in Google, and you will be able to find out the certifications offered in your locality, and you can to attend the 2 days training, and post that there will be a exam on the training, and you can, once you clear that, the certification will be given. Again, all this CSPO trainings would be very practical. So it'll be like how you would, what are the things you would be needing to fulfill a role of a product owner. Those will be taught, and I think there will be exercises for you to get familiarized with that. So that's the CSPO, and then we have like ACSPO, which is the advanced level. For this, there's a 1 year work experience as a PO required. So again, a similar process. You need to get the approval from Scrum Alliance before, appearing for the exam. And then we have the CSP PO, which is the product Scrum Certified Professional Product Owner. This is like again an experience-based certificate, which is the next level of a CSPO. So again, if I would recommend you to, from an agile perspective, if to get the certificate from Scrum Alliance, CSPO is a good one. And the last one, which again on my pick, is the scaled agile. As you know, agile teams are like 5 to 8 people or 5 to 9 people, very small team, and the work which would be delivered by them in the increment, again, which it is valuable to the business perspective, but again, it might not be enough for the business unit to achieve their goals. So what has happened is, how do you take agile to the next level? That's where the scaled agile framework comes. It's called SAFe. So this basically provides a view how multiple Scrum teams can work together on the same product and deliver a bigger increment every iteration. So the certification is called Certified Safe Practitioner. There's a lot of certifications again in Safe. This is called the Safe for Teams. Once you attend, again, this will be a 2 days or 3 days. Yeah, I think it's a 2 days training. Yeah, once you finish that, there'll be an exam. Once you clear that, they will provide you with the Certified Safe Practitioner certificate. Again, this is really helpful because we see this scrum of scrums, and the scaling agile catching up last year, and more companies are trying to adapt the scaled agile framework. And if you have this certification, again, it will be a big win for you. When you go into the interview, you already know how the scaled agile model works, which is again a big plus, and how you will be able to contribute to the company. Again, these are the three certifications which I feel, in my view, very valuable and very relevant for this year. And if you already have one of these, you can work in the same order. First one is the CBAP, second one, the CSP Agile, and then is the third one, the Scaled Agile. And you can make up a plan for this year. Maybe you'll complete one or two, again, depending on your goal. You can set up a goal, and definitely I would guarantee you that if you have this on your profile, when you go to an interview, you're already the interviewer will be already impressed, and you will be able to negotiate a better pay package. Yeah. So that's about it in this video. So these are my picks. As usual, guys, if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to our channel if you're already not done so, sorry. And please like and share this particular video. And also, let us know your top pick of certifications for this 2020 for business analysts in the comment box. And it'll be good to get your thoughts. And maybe I can make one consolidated video a couple of months down the line, and present it again. Just what are the top certifications you guys think we should have from a BA perspective for 2020. So thanks once again, guys, and I'll speak to you in the next video. Have a good year. Bye bye.